Hello friends, welcome to our channel. In this video, I will tell you and also show you how you can easily enable Camera and Telegram app on any Android device. Please friends, don't forget to put your likes under this video, write your comments, and also friends, subscribe to this channel. So, let's get started. And first of all, open the Telegram app itself on your device. On the top left, click on the three bars. Next, select Settings. In Settings, you're going to have to go all the way to the bottom. And at the bottom, find the option where the version of the Telegram app for your Android will be listed. Now you will need to click and hold on this option. When a message like this appears, tap and hold once again, pause, so that a little menu will appear. And so that you can enable Camera and Telegram app, you need to find this option, Enabling the Camera and Telegram. Click on it. And immediately you will allow access to the camera to the Telegram app. After that, you will be able to freely take photos and videos in the Telegram application using the camera. With this quick and easy method, friends, you can easily enable the camera and Telegram on Android. I hope this video was helpful and useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, put likes, and write comments. See you soon.